Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that's perfect for anyone who loves DIY projects or home improvement. We found the Stud Finder Pro 5-in-1 Smart Wall Scanner tool, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Stud Finder Pro is not just any wall scanner, it's a robust tool designed to make your home projects safer and more efficient. This innovative gadget combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, allowing you to detect wood studs, metal, pipes, and even live AC wires behind your walls, floors, and ceilings. Whether you're a professional contractor, a homeowner, or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed to help you work smarter, not harder. One of the standout features of the Stud Finder Pro is its intelligent microsensor chip, which provides the highest sensitivity for rapid and accurate detection. This means you can quickly locate the edges and centers of studs or pipes, saving you time and effort on your projects. Imagine hanging shelves or installing a TV mount without the guesswork. This tool helps you pinpoint exactly where to drill, ensuring you avoid those costly mistakes. Visibility is key when using a stud finder, and this model excels in that department as well. It comes equipped with a bright, backlit LCD display that clearly shows you the center and edge locations of detected studs. Plus, it provides audio alerts, including a beep sound to guide you precisely to the location of the stud. This comprehensive visual and audible feedback makes it accessible for everyone, even in low-light conditions. So whether you're working in a dim garage or a poorly lit attic, you can still get the job done efficiently. Now, let's talk about who this product is suitable for. The Stud Finder Pro is an ideal tool for professionals who need reliable equipment for their jobs, as well as for homeowners looking to tackle their own renovation projects. Moreover, it makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys DIY activities. It shows that you care about safety and efficiency, making it a practical choice for friends and family. In terms of practical use cases, the applications for this stud finder are almost endless. Are you looking to hang a heavy picture frame or a set of shelves? This tool will help you find the studs in your walls, ensuring that what you hang remains secure. Planning to install garage racks or a wall-mounted TV? The Stud Finder Pro will aid you in locating any hidden pipes or electrical wiring, preventing any accidents that could lead to expensive repairs. This wall scanner is also versatile, with multiple scan modes including Stud Scan, Deep Scan, and Metal Scan. The Stud Scan mode is perfect for finding the center of wood studs, while the Deep Scan mode helps detect larger objects like pipes or wires more effectively. The Metal Scan mode is particularly useful for identifying plumbing behind walls, providing peace of mind when you're working on projects that require drilling. In summary, the Stud Finder Pro 5-in-1 Smart Wall Scanner tool is a must-have for anyone who values safety and efficiency in their home improvement tasks. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, this tool can enhance your DIY experience and help you complete your projects with confidence. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.